So, it is the day of my travel, essentially, because I'm not really going to go to sleep tonight. I'm deciding to not wear my wig right now. Oh, what is this on my face? Oh, I was crying earlier. But I've decided to not wear my wig, but I will take my wig with me. I might curl my hair a little bit later on today, before I go and get on the plane. What do I have to say? I am nervous. I am excited. But I do have everything packed. I'll show you my bags in a moment once I get everything. I'm not taking this bag I have on my back. I'm going to just wear a hoodie and a denim jacket and my hat for if I get cold. Yeah, so bye. Well, I made it through the gates and now I'm on my way to New York. Our flight boards at 5:15, so I'm gonna sit and wait. And yeah, I was pretty upset I had to pay for my bag. It was a little bit overweight, and I had to take what I wanted to be my carry-on, and I had to make that a check bag. So yeah, but it's okay because a lot of the stuff that I had, like a lot of the stuff that I wanted to do as a carry-on, I still have that stuff in my backpack. So it's all good. But at any rate, maybe I'll do an update whenever I'm in New York. Oh, this light in here got my face looking nice. Okay.